Hello guys, Theo again back here. So I got invited to this BMW Autocross event right here behind me, as you can see. So I arrived a little early so that I can shoot and see what's not. So I will get a chance to test drive a few new cars, and hopefully, well, I don't think they're going to unveil or give any clues about the new M3 today. So let's go ahead and enjoy this experience. So I am done with the registration, and now it's time to go line up behind there where you can see to do the autocross. Hopefully I win this time. The last two times I was here, I did not win. I was like a very big loser, so I think I need to learn some from the track, right? So let's see how it's going to go. So today we're gonna chance to drive the 2020 M340 and the M235i. 4-cylinder 300 horsepower and 6-cylinder 382 horsepower. So it's almost my time to go and have fun, and I won't be able to film it because I don't have anybody to hold the camera for me. Wish me luck, right? So guys, how did you think my lap was? I had a great time. I had a great time. That 2 Series, man, that 2 Series is punching it. It's punching it. Thanks to my friend Crepin right here for filming it. Testing the M850i. Nice, beautiful. Convertible. That's a big boy right there. Laser light. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I had a lot of fun. I test drove the BMW 8 Series, 4 Series, X4, X6, X7, almost every car out there. I have a great time on the track here, and now it's time for me to head home. I have a flight to catch. So see you on the next one. Thank you again, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.